Hi guys, today I'm really excited to share with you this power strip that is perfect for multiple different things around your house. You can use it indoor or outdoor. It is waterproof, it is fireproof, it is surge proof. So if you have multiple things plugged in and it's overloaded, it will automatically shut off. You cannot electrocute yourself. And it has 3 different plugs with a easy little switch here. It has a very long cord to make it very convenient for you. It would be great for Christmas lights outside, things in your garden, multiple different things you want to plug in indoors. And it is beautiful, sleek, black color. Absolutely love it. It's made my life so much easier, especially with my Christmas lights. I think that you'll love it as well.